Every day, your body performs miracles you don't even notice. Not magic, not fiction, but real superpowers that keep you alive while you're scrolling, working, sleeping, laughing, or worrying about things far less impressive. Today, I'm going to show you the unbelievable things happening inside you right now, powers so advanced scientists are still trying to understand them. They are like the hidden superhero inside you. 1. Your independent security guard. Let's start with a superpower you use today, probably without realizing. Your body can detect danger before your brain even understands it. Ever touched something hot and pulled your hand back instantly? That reaction didn't come from your brain. It came from your spinal cord, acting like an independent security guard. Imagine you have a bodyguard living inside your spine whose only job is to slap your hand away from danger before you even feel pain. That's a literal superpower, reflex arcs that move faster than conscious thought. 2. Your body's shield. This is a superpower you use every single minute. Your body has a self-repairing, self-updating shield, your skin. In just the time you've watched this video, you've shed 100,000 skin cells. And your body has replaced them, effortlessly. That means every month, you basically get a new suit, a fresh armor. Ever scratched your arm and watched the white line disappear within seconds? That's your micro-repair system at work. Got a pimple? Your skin is pushing out impurities like a janitor working overtime. And one more thing. Your skin isn't just covering your body. It's talking to your brain. It tells you when something is too hot, when your phone is slipping, when someone touches you gently, when something feels wrong. That's amazing tactical sensory communication. 3. Your immune system, the unseen army. Now let's talk about the real Avengers inside you, your immune system. For context, right now, not yesterday, not last week, your body is fighting around 10,000 to 100,000 potential threats. Every single minute. Just imagine as you're sitting quietly, a microscopic war is happening inside your body. Soldiers attacking invaders, medics healing the wounded, surveillance drones scanning your bloodstream. Your immune cells communicate with each other using chemical messages, fast. Faster than you send messages on WhatsApp. Ever wondered why you feel tired when you're getting sick? That's your body diverting energy to power the army. It's like shutting down the city lights so all electricity can go to the defense base. And to blow your mind, you produce 100 billion new immune cells every day. That's more than the number of stars in the galaxy. 4. Your brain, the supercomputer. Now, the headquarters of your superpowers. Your brain. Listen carefully. Your brain works faster than every computer you've ever used. You know how your phone gets slow when too many apps are open? Your brain runs millions of tasks, effortlessly. For instance, it tracks your heartbeat, regulates your temperature, updates your emotions, organizes your memories, processes what you see, hear, smell, and feel, all at once. And it does all of this while you're busy arguing online or choosing what to eat for lunch. Your brain generates enough electricity to power a small light bulb, all day long. Ever woken up with a solution to a problem you were struggling with? That's your brain fixing things while you sleep. Or have you ever had a song stuck in your head? That's your brain practicing memory loops, like a performance rehearsal. 5. Your heart, the non-stopping engine. Your heart is your oldest, most loyal friend. It has never stopped. Not even for 1 second. From your first moment in the womb until your last. It beats 100,000 times a day. Pumps about 7,500 liters of blood daily. Creates enough pressure to squirt blood up to 30 feet. And it works without you telling it to. Ever. When you jog up the stairs, your heart instantly adjusts. When you're nervous before a meeting, it speeds up. When you're relaxed, it slows down. It listens to your emotions and responds in real time. 6. Your digestive system, the power plant. Let's talk about another hidden superpower, your digestive system, the ultimate recycling machine. It takes rice, bread, chicken, fruits, snacks, junk food, and even water, and breaks them down into energy units your body can use. Guess you have sometimes eaten something and felt a wave of sleepiness. Right. That's your body diverting power to the digestive system. It's literally saying, "Give me a moment, I'm processing." Your stomach acid is so strong, it can dissolve metal. But your body protects itself with layers of mucus that renew every few days. That's another built-in safety system. 7. Your memory, the time machine within you. Now here's a subtle superpower, your memory. It's not a recording device. It's a time machine. It lets you relive moments, feelings, smells, sounds, instantly. Examples. A song from childhood comes on. You're transported. A smell reminds you of your grandmother's cooking? You're there again. Your brain stores memories in layers, emotion, sound, visuals, like a high-tech archive. And every time you remember something, your brain actually rewrites it. You're updating the memory with new context. So the next time you doubt yourself, remember, you're walking around with a supercomputer, a self-repairing armor, an invisible army, an unstoppable engine, and senses more advanced than any gadget you've ever owned. You are not ordinary. Your body is the most advanced machine ever made, and every day, it saves your life without asking for credit. Always remember to take care of it. This is the first episode of our new series, Unknown Discoveries about the Human Body. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next mind-blowing chapter. See you in the next one.